We are on site today at AZURE Siesta Key, the new construction condominiums that are being built right here off Winsong Lane. I am so excited to give you a behind the scenes sneak peek of updates and all of the construction progress. Come check it out. I'm standing here on the second story of Unit 400 and take a look at these golf views. Absolutely incredible. It will only be a few short weeks, 5-6 weeks until the shell is completed, and we'll be able to get a view from the very top rooftop pool here.